Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find liked videos on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So once you like a video, so I'll try this one. All you need to do is go back to YouTube on the top left. Then you should see the U option on the left hand side, so you just want to click on that. Then if you scroll down, you should see playlists, and all you need to do is click on view all, and then you should see a playlist for liked videos. So all you need to do is click on view full playlist, and this will bring up all the videos you've liked on YouTube. Thanks for watching.